In an era dominated by digital media, many dream of turning their passion for video creation into a lucrative business. YouTube, the world's second-largest search engine, offers a unique platform where creativity meets commerce. But how do you convert a collection of views into steady income? Welcome to this guide on building a YouTube channel that not only entertains, but also earns. To embark on this journey, the primary step is understanding your niche. This is more than just finding a subject you're passionate about. It's about identifying an area where your voice can be unique. Ask yourself, what gaps exist in the current YouTube landscape? Your goal is to cater to an underserved or particularly enthusiastic audience segment. This not only builds your identity, but also your community, essential for monetization. Having established your niche, the next pivotal aspect is content consistency and quality. Viewers are more likely to subscribe and engage with channels that release content on a reliable schedule. Whether it's weekly uploads or bi-monthly releases, consistent posting schedules nurture viewer anticipation and loyalty. Quality, however, should never be compromised for quantity. Investing in decent equipment ensures that your audio and visual experiences are top tier, which is a crucial factor distinguishing successful channels from the rest. Monetization through YouTube itself comes with stringent eligibility requirements. The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, allows creators to share in ad revenue. But entry requires a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time over the past 12 months. Developing a strategy to achieve these milestones is crucial. Engage your viewers with calls to action that encourage subscribing, sharing, and commenting on your videos. Once you've met monetization requirements, ads become an income stream. However, diversifying revenue sources cements your financial success. Consider memberships. YouTube's channel memberships allow subscribers to access exclusive content for a monthly fee. Meanwhile, Super Chat and Super Stickers in live streams can be another revenue stream, where fans pay to highlight their messages in chat. Beyond YouTube's built-in systems, affiliate marketing and sponsorship deals are powerful income avenues. By referencing products and services that align with your brand and providing affiliate links in the description, you earn a commission from sales generated through these links. Securing sponsorships involves demonstrating your audience's engagement level to potential sponsors. Brands are keen to partner with creators whose audiences are both sizable and deeply engaged. Merchandising also holds considerable potential. Selling branded merchandise from t-shirts to mugs can fortify your channel's identity and bring in income. Platforms like Teespring integrate directly with YouTube, simplifying the merchandising process for creators. Another aspect often overlooked is the power of collaboration. Partnering with other YouTubers introduces your content to new audiences and strengthens community ties. These partnerships can lead to cross-promotion, driving new subscribers, and potentially boosting income. Maintaining an engaged audience is an ongoing challenge. Use analytics strategically to understand viewer behavior and preferences. Which videos do they re-watch? Where do they drop off? This data-driven approach allows you to fine-tune your content strategy, ensuring that your channel remains both relevant and profitable. In conclusion, transforming YouTube views into income is both an art and a science. It demands creativity, consistency, and an understanding of both your audience and the platform's algorithms. It requires building a community that feels valued and engaged. With these elements combined, a YouTube channel becomes not just an outlet for expression, but a sustainable source of income. Whether you're starting from scratch or seeking to enhance an existing channel, remember that success on YouTube is a journey where every upload contributes to your overarching goal. Thank you for embarking on this journey of digital entrepreneurship with us. Stay locked in for non-stop side hustle inspiration. Follow and subscribe. Urgent need for income right now? Check out www.kill9t05.com.